What are the signs of having a stroke?
The signs are B fast. B is balance. If you lose your balance and you're weak on that one side, that's a sign of a stroke.
Mm-hmm.
Eyes. If you can't, if you can't see clearly or you lose your vision. Facial droop. Facial droop.
Mm-hmm.
That's when your face is drooping on one side, or it's Bell palsy. It's something like Bell palsy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And A, arm weakness. Arm weakness. This you can't ignore it because
Boy.
what's your arm? You always work on it. But when you looking for signs of a stroke, you automatically know. And speech difficulty. Speech.
Like a
Speech
difficulty. S. Speech difficulty. It's you messed all up crazy. No.
We'll get more to that.
Yeah, we're gonna get into that when we talk about aphasia. And aphasia.
Wait a minute, did you finish your B.E.F.A.S.T?
Let me see.
I know you was in S.
The last one.
The last one. Sorry.
That's all right.
Time. The time that it takes for, like, when you feel notice those certain signs and everything, it takes at least 3 hours for the doctor to try to get in there and get to you.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
They have to wait.
No, I'm saying all of this shit, it was playing my stroke in my head.
Right.
And all of that shit was
Did you do the B.E.F.A.S.T?
I ain't nothing about no goddamn B.E.F.A.S.T.